You always gotta do something trippy.
You want me to chill? Okay.
Why you gotta like start tripping my camera out? There you go.
This is normal. This is 100% club.
Yo, what if she came out of the woods right now? She's like, oh my god, I'm here in 100% club. Mona Kelly.
Okay, I want to get you a cab. I want to get you a cab to the hospital right now.
We don't know what the hospital's gonna do with you because you don't have anything in your purse except for
Lip gloss and a condom.
and there's some receipts and toothpaste, but no toothbrush.
What are you at? Are you really drunk?
A little
That's all
bit.
you're on? That's it? This alcohol? Prove it.
That's a damn lie, bro.
Yeah, that's like heroin, dude.
Oh, really? Bring it down. What's up? Bring it down. What's up?
Let's ship a little fleet slide up in the cut. Get the best lean, let me fuck your butt. It ain't that